The Eagles was never going to be a dynasty, ever. I honestly don't even understand why we're having this conversation.
It's called the City of Brotherly Love. The bond between the band of brothers is matched only by the adoration the city's fan base has for its football team.
I have an announcement to make. The Dallas Cowboys are going to win this football game.
All year they done told you what you couldn't do, what you couldn't be. We 4 quarters away from being a legendary team. We already legendary. We sold out legendary. This is the stage to prove it. Hey, respect is all you got in this league, man. Don't nobody respect it, but guess what? For the next 4 hours, the is locked in here. They can't go home until we're done with them.
Takes the snap. Here by touchdown! Listen to the crowd. He's in! The train!
Cause I wanna get it on till I die. In my phone, cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. In my phone, cause I wanna get it on till I die. 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 Legendary, live eternally.
We all we got, we all we need.
Hey, but nobody said this game was easy, right? It takes men. It takes men of character and courage to win games in the National Football League.
There's one thing I wish you'd do for me.
I have to, be better. I have to lead this team better. It started with me. It starts with me, and I'm frustrated.
Win.
It's complete, and the game is over. The game is over. The Philadelphia Eagles are Super Bowl champions.
How many NFC East titles in the last 3 years?
Super Bowl! Super Bowl! We fight!
Eagles win! Zach Ertz!
I told you. Y'all shouldn't have been talking smack all week. All week. We just gonna go up in Philly and what does Ezekiel Elliott say? I like beating on them, huh? Every time I go to Philly, I like beating on them. Why? Because you was 3-0 against the Eagles? You ain't doing it now. Pay attention. Y'all gonna lose in Philly. Y'all out the playoffs. We in there with backups of backups of backups. Y'all got superstars and starters. Y'all trash. Trash truck juice. Welcome to Philly.